Dear students, our next topic is about calculating volume and density. But before its calculation, I would like to describe a little bit about volume and density. Volume is actually where volume is some matter when occupies a space. So space occupied by an object is called volume. Space occupied by something, that thing may be water, liquid, gas, by any object, this is called volume. Okay, so volume for cube or rectangular cube it is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, length, breadth and height. So this is volume, and we can write its unit as meter cube or sometimes as centimeter cube. Okay, we can write the unit in this way. And volume for sphere, it is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, volume for sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and volume for cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. Is that clear? On the other hand, density can be defined as the mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. Okay, it is actually shows the level or the extent to how much the particles are close together. Okay, it shows that to how much level the particles are closely packed within a body. Okay, so density shows the closeness, to how much level the particles are closely packed together. Okay, for example, if he says that honey, if we compare honey and water, we will definitely says that honey is more denser than water. So honey is more denser than water. On the other hand, if we compare lead, which is a metal, symbol is Pb, with suppose gold. Okay, Au, symbol of gold, we will definitely know that lead is more heavier. Lead is more heavier than as compared to gold. Okay, if we take 1 gram of lead and compare this with 1 gram of gold, lead will be more heavier. Why? Because the particles of the lead, they are more closely packed together. Okay, so we can say that the density also shows the heaviness of a body. Okay, it also shows the heaviness of something. Okay, so its formula can be formula for density is okay, the symbol of density is like this, and mass per unit volume. Okay, and so mass per unit volume. If, for example, there is an object like cylinder, there is a cube of ice. There is a question for you: cube of ice having all sides equal. Definitely cube all have sides 3 centimeter. Okay, then its mass is 10 gram. Find its density. So first of all you need to find the volume, okay, volume of the ice cube. So we knew that volume of cube is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, okay. So definitely 3 centimeter is going to multiply with 3 times, so 27 centimeter cube is the volume. Given mass is 10 gram, and we know that formula of density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass of the cube is 10 gram and volume is 27 centimeter cube. If we divide these, we will get 0.27. Yes, we will get 0.27 0.27 gram per centimeter cube. So suppose there is a question that a sphere having a radius of 7 centimeter, okay, there is a sphere, and you have to find its volume and density. So volume of the sphere, we know that it's 4 pi over 3 pi r cube, okay. Now we will put the values. 4 over 3, value of pi is 22 over 7, and r radius is 7 centimeter cube, okay. So you have to multiply 7 3 times. So I can also write 7 cube in this way, and I can also write 7 in this, so as to do cross multiplication. 7 will get cancelled, and so 4 over 3 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 49. Is that clear? So here you can do cross multiplication of 49 and 22. Then 9 1078. So 4 over 3 multiplied by 1078, and so if divide 4 divided by 3, it will become somehow 1.33. So multiplied by 1078. So if we multiply 1078 with 1.3 1.3, because if we divide 4 over 3, it will become 1,401.4 gram per centimeter cube. Density. So first of all, let's find its volume. We know that volume is equal to volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. So here the value of pi is 22 divided by 7, radius is 3 square, and height is 14. Okay, so if we do cross multiplication, what will we get? So 1772. So it will become 22 into 339 multiplied by 2. So 22 multiplied by 18. So if we do cross multiplication of these two values, we will get 396 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Okay, now we are going to find the mass. Now here the mass is given. Mass of lead is 45 gram, suppose. Okay, 45 gram. So here we know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass is 45 and density is 396. If you multiply this value with okay, so density is equal to 45 over 396. So let's do cross multiplication first of all. 3 1 3 5 15, these are 9, 132. Okay, 3 5 44. So 5 over 44, and if we divide the value of this 44, we will get 8.8. Okay, we will get the value 8.8 gram per centimeter cube, density of lead. Okay, so this is the answer of this. So such questions can also come in your exams. So you have to be attentive that if the volume, if the height or of the shape, inside the shape, so specifically circular spherical shapes, if the radius is given, you need to keep in mind the formula of it, and then you find the volume, and then after that density.